After revealing the Urus Performante earlier this year, Lamborghini has now shown the new S model. While the S is the entry-level Urus, it still makes 657 horsepower from its 4.0-liter V8, the same amount as the track-focused Performante. The S also rides on an air suspension, instead of the steel springs fitted to the Performante. Lamborghini is turning the Urus SUV up to 11 for 2023 with the new Performante model, which debuted last month, sporting aggressive styling and packing a more powerful V8 engine and revised suspension. Now Lamborghini has revealed the 2023 Urus S, which replaces the standard Urus but arrives with the same 657 horsepower as the more dialed-in Performante. That represents a 16 horsepower boost over the outgoing base Urus, and the twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 also spits out 627 pound-feet of torque. Lamborghini says the Urus S will hit 62 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, 0.2 seconds behind its claim for the lighter Performante. 124 miles per hour is said to arrive in 12.5 seconds, 1 second adrift of the Performante, but still blisteringly quick for a vehicle weighing nearly 5,000 pounds. Top speed is a claimed 190 miles per hour, and Lamborghini says the Urus S can brake from 62 miles per hour down to a stop in around 110 feet. While the Performante rides on steel springs, the Urus S uses an air suspension, which can be set to street, track, and off-road modes. The Urus S gets a revised front bumper with horizontal grille elements replacing the hexagonal design of the outgoing model, and a new matte black stainless steel skid plate protects the underside of the car. The hood is made from carbon fiber and features the same thin air vents as the Performante, which can be optioned in gloss black, body color, or carbon fiber. The Urus can also be spec'd with a carbon fiber roof, and the rear bumper adopts the sharper styling seen on the Performante, although the S lacks the small rear spoiler. Lamborghini says the exhaust has been retuned, and the standard 21-inch wheels are joined by 22-inch and 23-inch options. The cabin also gets new color and trim options. While pricing for the US market has yet to be announced, we expect the updated 2023 Urus to be a bit more expensive than the outgoing model, which starts at $229,495 when it goes on sale stateside.